4 to the power a plus 9 to the power a plus 25 power a and 6 to the 6 power a, 10 power a and 15 power. So from this equation find the value of a. What is the value of a? Find out. So first we can write this, we can write 2 square a, and this we can write the 9 square a, and this we can write the 5 square a, and this is we can write 2 into 3 a, and this we can write 2 into 5 a, and this we can write 3 into 5 a. And now this is the interchange, so a to the power 2, and this we interchange the power, so we can write this, and similarly this interchange, so we can write this. And now this is we can write 2a, and there is 3a, we can write this, and plus to the power a, and this is 5 to the power a, and this is we can write to the power a, and this is the 5 to the power a. And now we take the 2 to the power a, we take the 2 to the power a is equal to x, so we can write this is x square, and 3 to the power a is equal to take this y, so this is y square, and 5 to the power a is equal to z, we take, so this is the z square, and 2 to the power a is equal to x, 3 to the power this is y, xy, and this is the x, and this is the z, xz, and this is the 3 is y, and this is the 5 is z, so we can write this. And now we multiply the both of side with the 2, we multiply 2 both of side, so there is the 2 square, there is the 2y square, and there is the 2z square, and there is the 2xy, and there is the 2xz, and there is the 2yz. And now we can write this is 2x square, and there is the 2y square, and this is the 2z square, and this is minus 2xy, and this is the all is there, so minus 2xz, and this minus 2yz, this is equal to 0. And now this is we can write x, so this is the x square 1x, and this is the minus 2xy, and this is we take the 1y square, this, and now again we take the x square, and this is the minus 2xz, and we take the 1z square, and now we take the list of 1y square, and there is the 2yz, and we take the left, this is x square and z, you can write this. And so there is the x minus y, this is square, and there is the x minus z, this square, and there is the y minus z, this is square, is equal to 0. So there x minus y, this is square, is equal to 0, and another x minus z, y square, is equal to 0, and we can write y minus z is square is equal to 0. So there x minus y is equal to 0, and there x minus z is equal to 0, and there y minus z is equal to 0. So x is equal to y, and there we can write x is equal to z, and there is y is equal to z. So from here we can write x, y and z. X is equal to y is equal to z. And now, so we can write the to the power a, this x, and there is the to the power a, and this is the 5 to the power a equal to 0. So when this equation is so when then the both are similar, so any power of 0 is the 1. So we can write this is 1, this is 1, and this is 1 when a is equal to 0. Then this is possible. So we can find the a is equal to 0. So there is the 4 to the power 0 plus 9 to the power 0 and 25 power of 0. The both value is 1 plus 1 plus 1 in left side, and there's the right side, the 6 to the power 0, and this is the 10 to the power 0, and this is the 15 to the power of 0. There is the 1 plus 1 plus 1, so this is the right side, is the this value is 3, and there is the value is 3. Both are similar, so a value is 0 is right. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you.